Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. All right. First, before I get started, because last time my mic was kind of screwed up, so let me just check something very quickly. All right, we should be good. Excellent. Okay, let me just double check something very quickly. Are we are we live? That is the question. All right, guys, give me one sec here. Okay, I think we're good. All right, should be good. All right, so how's everybody doing today, man? Ready for a next amazing week of trading? The market seems to be a little slow, not gonna lie. Let me see some comments. Vivi, hi bro, first time here. Hey man, welcome. Yeah, so let me start this. Let me start this on the right track. I'm sorry, I was I was ADHD kicked in pretty hard, so I was distracted for 1 second. All right, now let's focus. All right, now we got everything we need. All right, so first thing first, welcome to the new people. Welcome back to existing followers. If it's your first time here, please do not forget to activate notification and subscribe to the channel. That'll be very, very, very good. And the most important thing, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button as you're coming in, right? Because that's the only way we can get the algorithm going and be able to help more people as we go. All right, cool. Hey, how's it going? I'm pretty good, man. Pretty good. Pretty fired up, man. Ready for a good week. Morning, Sasha. I hope you're doing well. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, doing amazing. Doing amazing. So, I didn't look a lot at the market yet. I did update my chart on, was it Monday morning? But I was super busy yesterday, so I didn't look at the chart. So we're gonna do that all together. Plus, at the end, also I have a surprise for you. You know, I play PhotoFinish live. I'm gonna reveal a couple of the new baby horrors that I got. Plus, if anyone wants to race on PhotoFinish, I'm gonna give anyone that subscribe a horse that they can race and actually win real money. All right, so that has nothing to do with Forex, right? But this is just a little perk that I'm gonna give you guys. All right, cool. So, all right, let's jump into it. Enough talking, more trading. Let me close this door for 1 second. And let's stop being lazy and stand up, right? Yeah, I know. Got some magic power. Yeah, I'm fucking around with you guys. All right, cool. All right, let's get started, baby. Let's get this banner going. Boom. There we go. Cool. All right. We are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. All right, cool. Let's start with GJ because we always start with GJ. What is that? Oh, shit. I need to go wake up the kid. All right, guys, can you bear with me for 1 minute, okay? Just because my wife had a meeting, an early meeting, so I am in charge to go wake up the kid. That's gonna take me like 2 minutes. I'll be right back, okay? Stay with me. All right, stay with. Actually, let me write a note because there's some people just gone waking up the kid. Will be back in two, let's say 3 minutes. All right, stay with me, guys, and we're gonna have some very nice breakdown coming up. Okay, so I'll be right back. Stay with me. Let's go, let's go. Hey. Oh, it literally took me 3 minutes. Sweet. All right. Sorry, guys. All right. Now we're good to go. Sorry, guys. All right. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Let's delete this. What? There we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's start with GJ, guys. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So yeah, hey guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you're coming in. So right now on the weekly time frame, we are bullish. We are at a high right now, so pretty much not interested. Look at this daily time frame. That's disgusting. So no, not touching that with a pull. The only thing I will be maybe looking at is a dogtail setup on the H4 time frame at 9 a.m. But we'll get back to this. All right. The reason why I keep GJ up here, no matter what, it's because it's my main pair for scalping. That's the only reason. All right. Now let's take a look at GA. GA was looking interesting last week. I mean, yeah, it did look interesting last week. Now let's see. It's still interesting on the weekly time frame. We are bearish. We have the pullback inside that weekly golden zone, which is also at the same time, if I'm not wrong, yeah, kind of weekly area of interest. Let me check on the daily. Check on the daily here. So on the daily, we are also bullish. We are still inside that weekly golden zone. We got this. Whoops. We got this. Boom, boom, double top here on the daily. So maybe we're going to be coming down, breaking that double top, retesting neckline to go down. That still look nice. GA still look nice. Not going to lie. I did an attempt last week. If you watch Forex Talk with Beer on Thursday night, I did take an attempt on GA. You can rewatch that breakdown. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour, oh shit, I missed the trade. Yeah, this was, oh, actually, didn't we flip bullish here? Ooh, okay, forget what I just said. I didn't miss the trade. We flipped bullish here. Okay. So, because if you zoom in, let me do this. If you zoom in here, oh, maybe not. Hold on. Wait a second. Yes, we did. We did broke above, you see? So this flipped bullish. So we're going to update the chart. Boom. And let's switch this line here. Do we have another elbow here? Yes, we do. We do have an elbow here. Here we don't have an elbow. Here I don't like this elbow. So yeah. All right, so if this 4-hour close here under this line, that means we're flipping back bearish. So what I'm going to be waiting for is really simple. Is for price to close under here, retest this to continue down. So GA still look nice. Not ready yet, but I think that can be a nice trade here. We're still in that weekly golden zone. If we take the trade up here, we got enough room. Let's see. Let's measure that. Let's say we take the trade somewhere around here. We got 200 pips. So we're Gucci. All right. So cool. Amazing. All right, so definitely going to keep GA here. I don't know if it's going to be my top one or whatever, but GA still makes sense. Yo, USD CHF. Fuck. You see, this was my, at first I changed my alert now, but at first this was my ultimate TP. But decided to close everything. No regrets because my win was pretty good. I mean, people that was on the stream was the first in the trade. We were on the trade way before a lot of people from the group. We were on the trade since I think it was on the 30 on the 1 hour. Anyways, I did the full breakdown on Forex Taco Riviera last week. So if you want to go rewatch it, how I took it, yeah, that was after this 30 minutes. So that was on Monday 7. Okay. So now what I'm waiting for USD CHF was my main idea. My main idea was to reach, where's my chart? What's going on here? Okay, here we go. So my main idea was to reach this golden zone before coming down. Because don't forget, I mean, we are bearish in the weekly, right? So this was kind of a counter trend trade-ish to reach this area and to go down. So the idea is still the same. So that's why I'm keeping USD CHF here, because as soon as we do reach this area, I'm going to be very interested in taking it down. So yeah. So we're going to keep USD CHF here. Euro NZD. All right, let's see. Euro NZD weekly, we are bullish, right? We are bullish on the weekly. Daily is also bullish. We got a nice pullback at this daily area of interest, which is also the 382 on the fib, if I'm not wrong. Let me just double check that. By the way, guys, if you have any question, you stop me, please. The main reason why I'm doing this stream is to help people, so it's not for myself. Yeah, right at 3.2, you see. So that's why I would be interested in taking this trade here. I still think that we're gonna reach the daily golden zone to have a better trade. The first entry was missed. Like I said here, first entry was missed at midnight, so I was sleeping. But looked like it was a great thing because I would be in draw. I don't know. Would I reach TP at this point? Was it on 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour. So if I would have taken this trade, my entry would have been here. My stop will be under previous structure, 5 pips under. So probably like 42. Yeah, so I would not reach TP. So I would be in drawdown right now. So I guess that's a good thing I missed it. Waiting for H low potential on H4. That was now for my second attempt. I mean, not second attempt because I didn't took it, but like the other way to take this trade was to wait for the high low potential. And now we break under. So, all right. So this idea is gone. So this now becomes bearish. Right? And those lines, I'm telling you guys, you need to put those lines. It's going to be so much easier for you. Like, so much easier just to see the clean chart. You know, you got your lower high, you got your lower low, boom. Anything in between, fuck it. You know, this is just market structure. So, so that's why you definitely want to keep it super simple. Put those lines. I'm telling you, visually, I can switch from time frame to time frame without even looking at the market and knowing if I'm bullish or bearish, right? Because I just look at the color of my lines. Now, if I switch from daily, I know I'm bullish. You know, my line are blues, and this is my higher low, this is my higher high. Weekly, so it takes me literally like 1 second. All right, I'm bullish, and I'm bearish. I just need price to flip back bullish, right? So that's the only thing. So now my first idea was to reach that daily golden zone. And now that we flip bearish on H4, I'm pretty sure we're going to go there. If not, no problem. I'm just going to wait for price to break above here, retest the structure to go up. That's it. Plain and simple, man. So it's either two things. We're going to reach up daily golden zone or we're going to break above and flip back bullish on H4. So Euro NZD, definitely still in the plan. All right, let me hit the chat to see if we have any question here. Hey, good morning, Bilal. How are you, man? Krish, how are you, sir? Investing with Ian. What's up, man? First time watching. What are the blue and yellow boxes? Okay, sure. Let's go through that. Yeah, because there's some new people. So the blue box is basically a daily area of interest. So let me just show you. This is where price, oh, Jesus. This is where price might react. You see, we got support, 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 resistance, support, support, and resistance. You know, this is an area where like price might reject this area. Okay, so that's why that's called a daily area of interest. I can look at another area here. Let's say this was a weekly area of interest here on this pair. You see support, 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 resistance, support, resistance. You know, so this is a place where price have problem. And you see price when up here, this area got rejected, right? So very powerful. What's in sync with this weekly golden zone also. So the yellow box is basically the golden zone, and that's how I call it. It's between the 618 and the 50 on the fib. Those are magnets. That golden zone is like straight magnet, baby. Price goes down and the golden zone goes and yeah. So yeah, those are rejection area. All right, so we were on Euro NZD, right? So hopefully that answered the question. Who was it? Sorry. Ian. So hopefully that answered the question. Krish, looking at GA to close under my area of interest to take sells, as currently price is above area of interest and can go up after taking support of that. Yes, makes sense. That's what we look at. Oh, you want to take it up? You want to take it up, right? Looking at GA to close under my arrows to take sales. Okay, perfect. Yep, makes sense. Makes sense, friend. Krish, smash that like button, guys, with your head. Let's fucking go. I like it. Bam. VV, I am having difficulty understanding and seeing the checklist point. For the set and forget strategy. Okay, yeah, we can overlook that. I mean, and you know, I think I have one pair that I actually have the. Let me check here. I know. Where is it? I know that I still have it on the one pair. I just can't remember which one. Here we go. You see, those are the confluences, right? So, so is that checklist you're talking about? Just want to make sure we're talking about the same thing. But this is old. This is just as an example, right? Just let me know in the chat if that's the right thing. Meanwhile, I'm gonna jump on to another question. Can you show me on GPP CAD where you see the candlestick rejection and rejection previous structure point? Sure. Investing with Ian. Thank you, pal. You're welcome, dude. Welcome. Yes. Okay, cool. No problem. It's a simple one, right? It's a very simple one. If you look, I mean, to go through that checklist, it's basically like I'm gonna sum up this very, very, very simple. Okay, there's some stuff that you want to, and again, you can modify those. You can, you know, obviously you want to stick to the plan the most as you can, right? On my end, you know, with experience, at one point, I'm going to give you an example. Okay, Alex used the EMA. I never ever fucking used the EMA because when I took the course, I already had experience before. And the thing is, EMA, I never worked with it, never understand it. I'm not interested in it because for me, it gives you information on something that already happened. Right? It's like volume. It's like all those indicators that for me are BS because it's giving you like information that's already in the past, right? I want information that's now, So, and the only thing to understand that and having an edge on indicator and having the information before the indicator is knowing price action. Okay. So if you know price action, you know all candlesticks formed, you know like every fucking candles has a story. You don't need any indicator whatsoever, because you understand price action. Okay. So instead of using UMA on my end, I replace that by the fib. The fib is you can call it as an indicator if you want, but it doesn't give me any information. It just to indicate an area where price might go, for the pullback. Because one of the main thing is when you want to take your trade and price are pulling back to retest or just having a high low, let's say you're like, are we done yet? Is that the point where we can start pushing back up? You kind of don't know so much. So for me, the golden zone is just like to give me an area where price might go. And when it gets close to that area, I know for a fact there's a good probability that price might react around this area. Okay. So in that checklist, I replace that by that. So the most important thing is you want to have a game plan and you want to establish your rule. You said, all right, if I take the trade, I need this, I need that, I need this and that. Okay. And you establish it. On my end, I'll give you an example. Okay. On my end, most of the time, I want my weekly, my daily, and my H4 in sync. Okay. Most of the time, I would say like 80% of the time, my trade are based on the weekly, daily, and H4 in sync. Okay. Sometimes, like the USD CHF trade I had the daily and the H4 in sync, but my goal was to reach my weekly golden zone, right? So that was my ultimate TP. Okay. So if I have that, I crush my checklist. All right. So I got my weekly, my daily, my H4, right? All right. The next thing I'm going to be looking at is like, have we reached an area of interest? Yes, for me, that's an add-on confluence, right? It's going to give me more confidence. No, not confidence. Trust. No, trust. Sorry, man. The French is trying to translate right now. Anyways, it's gonna give me more. Jesus, I'm looking for the word. I'm gonna be more confident about taking that trade, right? After that, the other thing you want to take a look at is your candlestick formation. Like when you are at that area of rejection, let's say you are at the daily area of interest right here. Now you can see that, all right, what else we have? We're rejected. Um, we're rejected with a weekly doji. We know that most of the time when we see a doji like this, there's going to be a rejection. Now you can go down to the daily. Daily is still bullish at the moment, but of course now we're looking to buy right here. So yeah. So weekly is already bullish. Daily is bullish. We're just waiting for that pullback. This is a great example. For me, if we are at this area, like I said earlier, I'm interested. I'm going to be looking at. But I know with my, the time being in the market, I know for a fact that most of the time, I will see a complete pullback before going up. Okay. But there's possibility that price reject here because it's also in sync with my 382 and the fib, right? So that's why I'm keeping an eye on it. Okay. So I will be checking those boxes. For me, those are the most important thing for me. My time frame in sync. I will reach a daily area of interest. I will reach a zone on my fib. Those are the key thing. We reach a major QP, which is a major quarter point, or they can call it like psychological level, bank level. But there's a full theory about like a quarter points theory. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things that you can look at it, but those are the main one for myself. And yeah, I think that's pretty plain and simple. But I'm not sure what your, like. If I look at your question, and seeing the checklist point for the set and forget. Um, so I hope that kind of clarifies stuff, but I'm gonna go on GCAN right now, where you see the candlestick rejection and rejection previous structure point. All right, let's go check. Let's go take a look. See if I can help you with that one. GCAD, GCAD. All right, cool. So I'm gonna give you my breakdown of this, and hopefully that will answer your question. Okay. Let me put this screen bigger. By the way, guys, don't forget to smash the like button as we're going in, as you're coming in. Sorry, and if you forget to smash the like button, do it now. All right, so cool. So on the weekly time frame, we are bullish. I do not count this as an elbow because look, I mean, we're just, this is not an elbow like this. Come on, this is not an elbow. This is not an elbow at the bottom. And if I'm going up, I'm always using the top elbow, right? So here we don't have any elbow, so we're straight bullish. And now we got this pullback at this weekly golden zone, right? Which is also previous structure point, all right? So if you look here, support form, come retest, this is the previous structure point. So we retested previous structure point. We are the weekly golden zone. We also, yeah, we're also the golden zone. Let me check on the daily if we have any area of interest at this point. Not really. I mean, no, not really. No. So no area of interest here. So right now the weekly is bullish. Okay. So the weekly is bullish on GCAD. The daily is bearish. And anything between those two lines is just bearish, right? So now we absolutely need the daily to go bullish to take it. Or you can use a day trade if H4 is bearish. Like right now, H4 is bearish, right? So I think anywhere in here can have like a possibility for a trade to go down to this. Actually, no, I would not be in on my side. Me personally, I will not be interested in that counter trend trade. And the reason why, it's because we already reached the area where I wanted price to reject. So yes, I know I said doji here. Yes, price might go down. There's probability that price go down, but for me, it's against my rule. You know, we already reached this area, so I mean, why should I put a TP here as a counter trend trade, especially a counter trend trade? You know, it's always more risky. So why doing that to yourself? You know, go into a trade that you have a higher probability of winning. This one for me, not really interested. You know, yes, it does make sense because you see, I mean, we kind of failed. We failed on creating a new higher high here. So not gonna lie, there's probability that price might go down, but for me, that's against my rule because we already reached this area, um, and technically, you should reject from there. You know, and continue to the upside. And look at the weekly time frame here. I mean, look at those big rejection. Look at this big wick. We might fill this wick and start pushing back up. And that's about it. Okay. So for me, not really interested right now. Hopefully that covered the question about the structure. If not, let me know. I can go through it. Let's see if there was an entry here for anyone that was interested in that trade coming up here to go down. If we drop down to 1 hour, if we drop down to 1 hour, price went bullish here. All right, so because price was bearish, anything in between is just, you know, here we don't have any elbow. So here we're bullish. Yeah, we cannot even enter here because, I mean, H4 is bullish until we break that point. So maybe if I zoom in, maybe there's going to be an elbow here. Not really. This is doji. This is a write-off candle. So you push those candles side by side. There's no No elbow here, no elbow. Yeah, no. So cannot even enter that sell because H4 is bull. Sorry, H1 is bullish. All right, cool. Let's see. Let's see. Um, that was the right one. Okay, yeah. Check Euro GPY. You will like it, Sensei. Also, daily is bullish, but waiting for daily to bearish as weekly is at a higher high. It needs pullback to make higher low. And price is currently at in weekly area of interest, looking for sells. All right, let's take a look. Euro GPY. Yeah, it's on my watch list. Let's see. Um, so Euro GPY. Yeah, so Euro GPY is bullish. We are clearly at a high right now. So right now it's not interesting. Daily is just fucking around here, ranging. Definitely need that pullback. Yeah, definitely need that pullback around this area. If not, I'm not interested. If we do break above retest, I might take a look at it. But right now we're jammed in that range. So yeah, so right now it's gonna take a while. That's why it's blue. That's why it's blue, because it's not ready yet. It's not even close to be ready. Um, so let's see. Dylan, Sasha, do you look to exit a trade if 30-minute and 1 hour flips against you? This assume that your sell hasn't been hit yet. Um, it depends. It depends on a couple things. If I'm already like in good profits and I'm happy with the profit, I'll be like, you know what? Since the lower time frame is switching, we might see a pullback. Are we Friday? Are we Thursday? Where are we in the week? Where am I in the month? Are we the day before NFP or CPI? Do I want to secure profits and just not take chance? Maybe there are sometimes, but most of the time I will stay in the trade because my plan is to hit that TP, and to hit that TP, price needs to do fluctuation, needs to go down to continue up higher. We need those pullbacks, to go higher. So if my plan is to hit that TP, most of the time I will stay in the trade. But again, I said it depends. Am I at the end of the week? Am I at the end of the month? Is there some like critical news happening? And I just want to play it safe. Um, you know, at the end of the day, that's what it is. Nobody went broke securing profits, guys. Remember that. But most of the time, you definitely want to respect, your game plan, your TP. So technically, when you enter a trade, you have a plan. You have a plan. You need to know how I enter, how I exit. And if something happened, you need a plan. It's like going to any sports game. Let's say American football. Okay, I don't watch much American football, but I know for a fact that it's really strategic, right? I mean, they have a game plan for everything. They have a plan. Baseball has a plan also. Like any sports, team sports has a plan. So you need a plan. I'm doing this because we're gonna do that, and we're gonna go to the end goal, right? So this is the same thing. When you trade, like it's crazy. Sometimes like people enter a trade and they write me and say, "Hey, Sasha, should I get out there?" I was like, "What the fuck? How the hell did you like what?" Like it's like going like it's like taking your car, going on a highway, and like and you're driving, and you have no clue where you're going, but you're driving, like this exit, I don't know, maybe. This exit, I don't know, maybe. This one, oh, I'm looking, boom, oh, I just hit a car, so like it's the same thing. You should know exactly when and how to get out. Well, now I just like went like extremely off topic here. But yeah, to recap the answer about your question. So basically it depends, where am I, in my trade, or are we close to end of the week? Do I want to hold during the weekend? All those things. Am I a good profit already? But I would say that probably 80% of the time, 90% of the time, I will stick with it, because most of the time you need price fluctuation to hit your TP. Okay. But that will take times. For me, holding a trade more than 5 hours before was like so hard, guys, because I was a scalper at first, right? So for me, like holding a trade 5 hours, it was like, holy shit, I was so anxious. It's crazy. But it takes times. It takes times. And now you see price going back bearish and you flip back bullish and like, all right, price do his thing, right? And that's good. That's gonna come with experience, guys. As weekly is at higher high, but waiting for the to go bearish. We can see fib as a tool rather than indicator, right? Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. You're right. It's clearly not an indicator. It's clearly a tool. Yeah, yeah, absolutely right on this. I'm not sure about this question, Krish. Can you just recap that? I'm not sure if it was linked to your previous comment. NZCAD, yeah, we'll take a look at it. Top of the morning chart on Euro GPY. Okay, we'll go take a look at that. We're gonna do NZCAD first. I think that's the next one, right? Did I skip someone? Did I skip someone's chart? I think did I skip a pair? No. All right, so let's do NZCAD then. NZCAD. Where are you? NZCAD. Here we go. All right, so NZCAD. Let's do it. So NZCAD is bullish since so long, right? Like NZCAD is bullish since October 2022. That's going to be it's 2 years right now. It's 2 years that price has been bullish, and anything in between is just market structure, right? So yeah, so we're bullish. All right, cool. Daily right now is bearish. Okay. Let me check something. Weekly is, by the way, don't, yeah, this is old, so I don't want people to be confused. Um, and man, look at this pair, how rangy it was. Yeah, look at this range. It's crazy. But let's take a look at the daily. So daily's bearish. 4 hour right now is, let me update that. So what the fuck? Okay, so we went bearish from there to there, right? So from here to here, we were bearish. Okay, so after that, boom, bullish. So that bullish, bearish, bullish. All right, so right now H4 is bullish. Okay, so right now you got your daily bearish, you got your H4 bearish. So yeah, maybe as a day trade if you want. I personally, I just don't trust NZCAD anymore. Just playing around so much. I did a couple of attempts in the past on NZCAD, but I just, fuck it. 4 hour. Let me check 1 hour. 1 hour is bearish. Oh, actually, no. Oh, yeah. So 1 hour, let's update this. So H1 lower high, and H1 lower low. Oops. There we go. But look at this, man. We're about to be bullish here. So yeah, for me, it's a no-go. NZCAD, I just don't like it, Especially that I got my weekly bullish for so long. It's just like, I don't know. I don't know. Plus, if you take the trade here, don't get me wrong. Yeah, that's the other thing. That's think. You are right now. Let's say you take your trade here based on that H4. Let me just go back here on that H4. lower high potential right here. Um, the problem is you're right at this daily support. I mean, you're not that far. Like, how many pips is that? Like, it's not even 30 pips. So, I mean, there's no fucking way. Like, daily support, daily support, daily support, massive daily support. Like, this is a full area of interest right here. Like, do I want to take a trade, like, up here to sell when I know that there's big chance that price is going to be rejected at this area? Fuck no. You know, like, this is like, look at this. Support, support, you know, support, support, resistance, like all those wicks rejection. Fuck no. No, 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 no. Nope. No, 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 no. That's why it's down here. So hopefully that answered the question. Let's go see next. I think I answered that. Krish, 5 more likes to go 100% like ratio, guys. Throw your sofa on that like button. Krish is super violent with the like button. I like it. Yeah, man, we're close to 100% like ratio. Let's go. Dylan, Sasha, do you look okay? Answer that. I answer that. Yeah, we did that. And Zcat, we did. Yes. My chart. Okay. Let's do. And Chris chart. All right, so this is Chris chart coming up. This is the Euro GPY chart. So let's take a look at this. So we're looking right now at the weekly time frame, and we got a note here from Chris: weekly bull, daily bull, 4-hour bullish, waiting for daily to go bearish for day trade sells. Oh, I see. Okay. This weekly is trade sells as weekly is at a high and needs pullback. First TP will be weekly area of interest, and final TP will be the weekly GZ. I don't hate that idea. Let me go check it out. Yeah, now that your idea is more clear. Yeah, so you got your weekly bullish, but you need your daily to go bearish, dude. Oh shit, hold on. Oh, here we did. Oh, we did. So we are bearish on the daily. Sorry. I didn't update that chart. Sorry. My bad. Here we go. Okay, so now we got the daily bearish. We got the 4-hour bullish though. So now we gotta wait. Gotta wait. I don't like the idea. I'm gonna look at it, but the RR has to make sense, right? H4 going bearish for day trade. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Not my favorite, but it makes sense. Okay. All right, guys, come on, smash that like button. We're almost close to 100% like ratio. On Owanda, it's still bullish. That structure point didn't close under. Oh shit! Which time? Which fucking for? I thought I changed on my Forex.com. God damn it! Thanks for the input here. Euro, JPY. I lost a trade because of that like a couple weeks ago. I mean, I don't know if it's because of that, but it clearly put me into a situation where all right, so let's delete that one. Let's flag this with blue, and let's do the marking from the beginning. So you'll see how I do it. Very simple. So now we are looking at the weekly time frame. Oh, I had some marking way back. So we are boom bullish here. All right, so we're bullish. And daily is also yeah. I don't know, we did it too. Oh, we didn't broke under though. Let me check. Oh, we didn't broke under. Okay, so we're still bullish here, right? Okay. Where's my other line? Okay, let's put that like this and like that. Let's zoom in just to make sure. Yep, we didn't broke under, so we're still bullish here. All right, cool. So actually, let's place an alert here. I'm gonna say but that's not going to be ready now, you know, so because it's the daily now we're talking about, so it's even less interesting. Now that I established that my weekly and my daily are bullish, I'm going to go back up to the weekly time frame. I'm going to go check area of interest. There's going to be clearly one here. So weekly area of interest. Now I'm going to establish my fib on the weekly. And oh, that's in sync with the area of interest. That's beautiful. I love this. This is super powerful. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Daily. Do we have any area of interest on the daily? Here we got resistance, support. No. Let's see. Here we got one. Yeah. Here we got a daily area of interest. So you see we got resistance, we got support, we got resistance, and support here. So more than enough. All right, cool. Let's do H4. Where's my line? You see, this is pretty much how I do mark my chart from scratch. Here we went, hold on, wait a second. Where's that structure? We went bearish here, boom, boom, boom. Bullish here, high. Now we did close bearish here from there to there. Boom, 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 bearish, and now bullish. Okay. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. Ducktail looking good today, Sensei. What time is it? Yeah, we'll go take a look at it. GBP sells. Nairo. What's up, man? GBP sells. Let's go take a look. GBP sells. All right. So we got the weekly here. Weekly is bearish. We got the pullback at the weekly area of interest, which is also the weekly golden zone. Beautiful. Beautiful. Daily is, whoa, daily is disgusting. But we're still bearish. Like if you look, we were bearish from here to here, right? And anything in between is just market structure. So that's good. But if you look here, yesterday we closed nice engulfing bearish candle. And this one already broke previous low. So odds are pretty good for continuation to the downside. What about the H4 time frame? Oh shit. Has H4 been, holy, H4 has been bearish for so long also. Okay. You see we had a winner here. Okay. What about H1 here? So H1 is about to create a new lower low here. Actually, no, sorry. H1 is about to flip bearish. Yeah, if this H1 close in 32 minutes like this, H1 will be bearish. Okay. Not disgusting. The thing is the daily, man. The daily is, wow. Man, look at this area. Like, I would feel much better, to be honest, to all this zone here. Like, all this zone, all this shit here. Like, look left. Like, how many problems here, right? I would feel much better if price will do this. Will do like break under all this shit, came up, retest to go down. I will feel much better. Right now, there's too much noise for me to the left. It makes sense though. It makes sense as a trade, but for me, too much noise to the left. We don't have a clean traffic here. It's not a bad trade idea. It just, for me, I just find it way too busy to the left. Too many obstacles. Like let's say, you see, this is a pretty good example. Price went up here. All right, we did form support with a nice engulfing candle. And look left. Look left. We got clean traffic. So what happened? Price had no problem pulling back up to this area. What happened is when we reached this area, because when you look left, look, we got rejection here, we got a rejection there, we got a rejection there, rejection there, you know. So here we were clean traffic, easy pull up, you know. And now coming down, look left, look at all this problem here. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. And you guys learning something. Missed my message. Dash. Oh, your message? Dash, what's up, bro? Sheesh. It's been a while. It's been a while. Where do you write me? On Instagram, Facebook, on Discord? I know, I'm gonna have to go chat, man. How you doing, buddy, man? It's been a while. Shit. All right, cool. All right, all right, let me see the other pair I didn't do yet. Did I cover Euro NZD? I'm pretty sure we did. CHF GPY waiting for that. Oh shit. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna need to update that chart. All right, so daily just created a new high. So now we're gonna redo all this because we never had the pullback. So let's delete this. And right now we're gonna have to wait for resistance to be formed to be able to use our fib. What about the weekly? Weekly is about to create a new high also. So right now yeah, oh, okay. If H4 give us a nice pullback, I might be interested to take a day trade here. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep an eye on CHF-GPY because if this close as a resistance, I'm gonna be able to use my fib, and I'm gonna wait for a pullback around this area, which is also previous structure on H4. So I might look for a day trade here. CAD GPY. let's update this chart. Weekly is bullish, waiting for that pullback at this daily area of interest right here, which is also daily golden zone. We kind of did it. So basically, what I'm waiting for now is what? Oh, that's good. I was waiting for H4 to go bullish. So I guess that's done. All right, so I'm going to flip this green. The reason why I'm flipping this green is because now we got the weekly bullish, we got the daily bullish, and we got H4 bullish. I got my 3 time frame in syncs. Now, the only thing I'm going to be missing here is my high low potential to go up, you know. So I'm going to wait for that resistance to be formed. I'm going to be able to establish it. So H1, let's update this. Oh. Actually, H1 went bearish here. But it's normal. It's normal to go bearish. And you know why? Do you know why, guys? Do you know why H1 is bearish right now? Oops. What the fuck? Because we need H1 to go bearish to give the pullback on H4. Plain and simple. So H1 is going to go bearish, you know, to have the H4 pullback. Once we're going to reach the end of the H4 pullback, we're going to see price starting doing its thing like this. Once we're going to be breaking above, we're going to come retest the structure to go up, you know. Make sense? Oh, above message here in the chat. Oh, shit. Hold on. Shit, there's nothing. All right, let me go check on YouTube because sometimes there's some message that are blocked by, let's see. This says chat filter. Let's see. Let's do all chat. There you go. Let me see here. No, I don't see any other message, bro. Where's a link in it? Because sometimes YouTube block message with links or a specific word. I don't know. Maybe a rewrite. My gosh, man, my Frenchy. Whoa, rewrite it. That was hard, man. So maybe rewrite it, dash kiddish. Sorry, man. Whoa, because I clearly didn't see it. Check Sol. CNBC says that if Trump win, Sol can surge 400%. Not getting influence. We follow chart, no, not sentiment, but Sol looks great. Currently 74% profit. My leverage trade. Yeah, man. Sol is like, man, crazy. Solana. So I bought a shit ton at 20. So this is where I bought all my Sol. So I've been telling people for 2 years to fucking buy Sol. And I'm sure Kiddish was on my stream back then when I was talking about Solana. So yeah, hopefully people took action. Oh well. All right. So anything else? Let me check. Oh, guys, like, okay, for people that don't know, I also play a game called PhotoFinish Live. It's a horse racing game. I know it sounds weird, but it's fucking fun. You got horses that you can race, win money. You can race them, and you win real USD. And you can retire them, breed them, stud them. It's like real life. It's fucking amazing. And this game is just so cool. I got a link in the description if you guys want to try it. Anyone that wants to try it, subscribe through that link. Let me know. Send me a DM. I will send you a free horse that you can start racing and make money out of it. Plus, I can loan any of my horse for free. You can earn all the, you can keep all the profits. It's just that I got so many horses right now, I cannot raise them all. So I can loan them to you for absolutely free. You can have fun, try the game, and eventually like do your things, right? Just to show you, just to give you a little glimpse. Let me open up a window here. Uh, New window. All right, so this is the site. And just to give you an idea, there's a race I didn't look, that last one, yes, because I was getting ready for the stream. So that one I didn't look. So let's watch this one, just to give you an idea on how my horse's favorite right now. That one, so that's right. It's called Hey Mama. So all my new horses for the past 2 seasons, we got like song names. All right, so I got number two, guys. I got number two. Woo! Strong start. Strong start, baby. Let's fucking go. So those are, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that one's a series. That was a pretty good race. So let's see. We're still in front. We're still in front, baby. And you see at the bottom of the screen, you see the distance. It says 12F. That means that's the longest race. It's 12 furlong. Right turn, it means they turn right because they got horses that turn left. Turf, because there's horses that prefer to race on turf and some on dirt. Some when it's raining, when it's dry. So technically, that horse of mine preferred to race on turf, but um, dry. Now it's soft. So I don't know. Maybe that's gonna play against her. Uh oh. Uh oh. Number five, Bruce Bay is catching up. Uh oh. Uh oh. In that corner. Oh, she denies it. She like, fucking dude, I'm first. All right, we're at 7 furlong. We got a couple of furlong to go. Let's go, baby. Let's let's go. Hey, mama. Black eyes song, right? Black eyes, black eyes. Fuck, man, I cannot say. All right, let's go. Oh man, she is way up front. Whoa, what a domination! Holy shit! Let's fucking go! Let's go! Oh, shit. Well, that's good. We're 10 furlong. We got 2 furlong to go. Let's go! If she win, I want to see some fire emoji. 200 meters. Oh man, she's way up front. Nobody's gonna catch her up. No one's gonna. Oh, she demolished them. Holy, she's taking on the win. Let's go! Oh, what a domination! Holy freaking fuck! Wow, that was good. That was exciting. Wow, what a win! What a win! So, just to give you an idea, so now she won 10,400 derbies. So that means that is let's do 10,400 divided by 80 because 80 derby equal $1. So that means I just made $100, $130 USD in what? 2 minutes? This is amazing. Okay. Um, and wow, this is amazing. So whoa, 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 guys, calm down. Okay. So this is all my horse. I can loan for free. You can raise them, have fun, make money. It's free. I mean it's free to take my horse. Plus I'm gonna give you one free horse. Now the cool thing, it's full day is once a month. So one season is 1 month. And yesterday was full day, but I didn't have time to reveal any of my horse. So that means that all the new baby are born. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do full. I'm gonna do by oldest, youngest. Okay, cool. So this is all the full that I got for this season. I got a shit ton. So can you holy yeah, I'm starting to have a lot of horses now, like 274. So feel free to subscribe. I got horse to loan. So just to give you an idea on how it looks, let's reveal one. I don't know. Let's reveal heat wave, full of heat wave. Okay. So what are we gonna do? I'm just gonna go check in my stable retired. I just want to go see heat wave. Heat wave. She's here. So that's the mom. So we see all their stats, preference here, and who did that's her bloodline. So you see this is the dad of heat wave, and this is the mom of heat wave. Now I need to go check who did I breed with. Oh, Cuba. That's my own horse. That's my own stud that I use. So I use this guy. Okay, so let's check what we got. So this is a S ors that I bred with a S minus ors. So let's see what we got here. Full of heat wave. All right, so we got an S minus and then we got a filly. Filly is worth more because you can make babies with them, so you can expand your stable. So that's pretty good. Right now, I'm not looking to expand that much more, but as a bigger value, right? So that's pretty good. So now we can go see like the bloodline. We got Cuba here as a dad, and we got Heat Wave. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Should be interesting. Should be interesting. So, anyways, let's get back to trading. This was just like a quick view on this game, which is super cool. Of course, this is no financial advice. Do your own research. All right, let's go to DJ because we got maybe a dogtail setup coming up here. So let's go check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. What time is it? 45. So, oh shit, did I forgot something? Okay, we're good. Man, that was a nice win by Hey Mama. Shit, man, I'm so excited. We got some fire emoji. Let's go, Crash. Um, okay, so H4. Now let's focus now. Let's focus here. Let's take a look at the daily. Wow, this is so disgusting. What's going on with GJ, man? Yeah. If this candle, like I would prefer for this candle to close like somewhere under here. If it does, I mean, I'm gonna wait for the next candle create a top wick. Once this candle is gonna flip back and pass this wick, this is where I'm gonna get my entry and write it down because we got room here, right? So we got clean traffic to the left here. So that would make sense. But if it do close here, I'm going to be way more careful because I got this as an obstacle, right? So hopefully that makes sense. All right, let's see. Any questions, guys? Any other pairs you want to take a look at? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I missed something for you guys. I think that makes sense, right? I think we did them all. Euro and ZD. Did I did Euro and ZD? Yeah, we did it. NZDCHF, we did it. Yeah, I think we did them all. I mean, not all the pairs, but the one that looks the most interesting. Um, like right now, USD GPY is reaching that golden zone, so that's good. Actually, USD GPY, I'm gonna have to put it up here because now we reached that area on the weekly, which is great. Now I'm just waiting for the daily to go back bearish at this stage. So here, not really, no elbow. Yeah, so we're gonna keep an eye on USD GPY. Let's do a little quick overview of the other pairs. Disgusting. Euro AUD. Huh. Did we cover Euro AUD just earlier? Because we got a retest of this area of interest. We got a doji with a massive rejection here. We got a top wick form on the weekly. Daily is bearish still. 4-hour is bearish. Man. No, sorry. 4-hour went bullish here. No elbow. Okay, cool. So here, I'm clearly going to mark this. I'm going to say H4, going bearish. And I'm going to keep an eye on this one. Weekly bullish. Oh yeah, that was a 4-day trade. Okay, now I get it. Okay, that was for a day trade. So I'm gonna mark it orange because it's a day trade, so I don't want to get confused. Okay, so daily we got a pullback. We got kind of a double top-ish. We got the retest of the neckline. 4-hour about to go bearish. Yeah, as a day trade, that looks good. That looks good. Especially that if you look at the weekly, yes, the weekly is bullish, but look at how many times we failed. We failed on the first push here once, two, you know, three, 4 times we failed on creating a new higher high. And look at this massive rejection here. So that gives a lot of fuel to go down. So that's why I think that this weekly time frame would eventually flip bearish. So that's why I'm willing to take that contra trend trade as a day trade, right? So yeah. So I think we just found something else. Let's go check GU. GU reached that golden zone, previous structure point on the weekly. We are bullish, major QP here. Okay. Interesting. Daily is bullish. Fuck, G looks nice. We're bearish, but let's delete this. And let's put a note here. It says daily. This is what I'm looking for. Like structure that are clean like this. Look how clean is this. Cannot be more clean. Like those are doji, those are write-off candle for me. So look at how clean is this. Beautiful pullback, weekly golden zone, major QP, previous structure. What else? Like what else do you want? Like just that's beautiful. Now we just need the daily to flip back bullish. So I'm gonna flag this blue so I can keep a track on it. It's not clear. It's clearly not ready yet, right? But I like the way it looks. It's clean. H4 is about to create a new lower low. Perfect. Excellent. All right, cool. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna keep looking. I keep finding stuff. Shit. All right. 80 USD. What about like puking right now? Like this is disgusting. GN, GN man, fuck man, GN. Sad. It was looking so clean. Yeah, no. EuroCAD. Oops. EuroCAD. No, thank you. NZD USD. Weekly. Yeah, I mean, at this stage now, we need, you know what we're waiting. We need the break and retest of this area of interest, right? I'm actually going to mark it down. I cannot use my fib yet. Daily is bearish. All right, cool. Euro GBP. So let's delete all this. We did add the pullback, but I guess we missed the trade here. So let's start from scratch. Daily is. Did we create a new? Yeah, we created a new lower low here. Again, that's a Forex.com. Fuck. Euro GBP. Let me do. All right. Let's go to the weekly. So weekly is bearish, we said. Weekly lower low. Sorry, guys. I'm going to try to do this one fast. Daily. Oh. So daily lower low. Daily lower low. Here we go. Cool. All right. So yeah, no, not interested. Weekly 80 CAD. 80 CAD. Did we do 80 CAD? That looks good. Daily, bearish. All right, so we need the day to go bullish. Actually, I'm gonna put this a little higher. No. And the rest makes sense. Okay, cool. So any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Let me know. Any other question? Let's go. 5 minutes. I mean, no, not 5 minutes, but 5 minutes before dogtail setup. Let's go check back just quickly. Yeah, it's going to be a tricky one if it closes like this. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we had a great session. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to be live once again, 6 p.m. Eastern on Forex Talk Over Beer. Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern, Forex Talk Over Beer. This is where I break down my trades I took during the week, still answer questions, and give you trade ideas for the upcoming days. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. And I will see you Thursday night. Don't forget your drink. All right. We're going to have fun. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Peace out.